Hi guys, today I just have a quick tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to mix Quikrete Quick Setting Cement. When you're mixing this cement, make sure that you're always wearing a mask to protect your lungs from all of that powder that sort of billows up around you when you're stirring it up. You don't want that in your lungs. The instructions recommend that you also wear eye protection to keep that powder and anything that you're mixing up out of your eyes as well. And it's important to wear gloves to protect your skin. This quick setting cement that you see here is a 10-pound bucket. You can usually find a 20-pound bucket and a 50-pound bag as well. The instructions for mixing this product recommend that you use 1 part water for every 3.5 to 5.5 parts of the material or the cement powder. I'm mixing this up for a small project, so I'm using small containers. If your mix is closer to 3.5 parts cement, it's going to take longer for it to harden. 5.5 parts cement means it's going to harden faster. So you typically have between 15 and 30 minutes before this product starts to harden. So take that into account when you're mixing yours up. If you need a lot of cement, but you won't be able to use it in 15 minutes, just mix it up in smaller batches and work with what you have as you go. As you can see, I'm going to be using the same small container to get the cement powder out of the bucket as I'm using for the water. So that means I can make sure that I'm getting equal amounts of the powder and water when I'm measuring out exactly what I need for the quick setting cement mix. After combining the cement mix and the water in the container, I used a paint stirring stick to make sure that I've got all of the water and cement mix mixed together thoroughly before I start using the product. For a small amount like this takes about 30 seconds to make sure it's really mixed well. For bigger amounts, it's going to take more time to stir it up and make sure that you've got it really worked into that product. You don't want really dry spots and wet spots in your product. You want an even mix of that water and cement so that it hardens properly, cures properly, and looks right. That's it for how to mix Quikrete Quick Setting Cement. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And I'll link to one of my projects using this cement if you need more tips about how to use it. Good luck with your project, guys.